It is Friday today, 26th November 2021, and I show you the waiting room of Pakistan Consulate Milan. A very few people in the waiting room, you see. Maximum 10 people are here. All these Pakistanis were waiting here. They are waiting for their turn. There is not too much work. As you know that after the departure of Nadra services and their members have gone back to Pakistan, there is no regular service regarding Nadra service. In this situation, there is not too much work for the consular services. But what I want to say is that there is no concept of first come first basis service in the Milan, Pak Consulate Milan. I give an example. If you come here for a document regarding translation or power of attorney of such or affidavits, etc., you present the documents, they clarify it and send it to the first floor to Mr. Nadeem, who has been here for the years and years. Mr. Nadeem is actually experienced consular service person, but the problem is that if you present a document and the document is verified, and to make a stamp or to make a translation, you will have to wait till 2 p.m. I clarify you more profoundly. You present a document for the translation or affidavit just to certify. You present the document at 9 p.m. and you will have to wait till 2 p.m. Why? When I say first come, first service, which is quite familiar all around Europe, you get your number, you get your token number, you wait, go to the counter, and the service is provided to you. It's okay. Those who come later, they have to wait their turn and get service. But here in the consulate, this concept doesn't exist. Sometimes the applicants have to wait 6 or 7 hours for nothing. As I have shown you the situation of the waiting room, there are not many Pakistanis here who are waiting for their turn. The service regarding to ID cards, passports, etc., as I have already cleared, that there is no so much burden on the consular service members. They do what is required, they finish and that's all. But the problem is that regarding attestation of documentation, there should be a proper way, a way which must function. If you present your documents and you come from 300, 400 kilometers from Milan. You have to turn back also home. So the service should be provided as quick as possible. Sometimes when I think about the open course services which are provided by the Milan Park Consulate Milan, what they discuss there, what are the let's see, complaints. Mr. Consul General, listen, the complaints of the Pakistani community, the members from the Pakistani community, but the problem remains the same. Okay, I understand. You see, the reception I'll let you see once again. The reception is without any applicant. There's nobody here. So what the members, the consular service members are doing at this moment, if Mr. Nadeem is alone and nobody is helping him, it is the duty of the Consul General to give him an assistant or more than one assistant, so that the applicants who come and ask consular services, they should be provided this service as well as the other services on the basis of first come, first served. First come, first served does not exist, I repeat. I hope Mr. Consul General, Mr. Manzoor Chaudhary, will look into the matter. It is not necessary that somebody should present himself in the open court. Apart from all these things, I don't understand. Khuli kachari, open court, what is the need of it? There is not too much burden on the consulate, you see, around. So why? So why is such long wait for the applicants to stay here and to wait here for nothing? This service should be conducted seriously. सियासतदानों और थानेदारों को तो खुली कचहरियाँ लगाते देखा था, क्योंकि उनके बारे में शिकायत बहुत होती हैं। सफारतकारों ने कब से खुली कचहरियाँ लगानी शुरू कर दी हैं, और उसकी ज़रूरत क्या है? खुली कचहरी की ज़रूरत उसी वक्त पड़ती है जब मसाइल काउंटर पर हल नहीं होते। और एक मसला जो मैंने आपके सामने रखा है वो मसला हल नहीं हो रहा बहुत अरसे से, इसको हल होना चाहिए। आई होप Mr. Consul General will take notice of it. I am Wasim Raza from Bolzano.